1. The Immortals. These animals have lived through world wars, pandemics, and probably your last 3 breakups. 1. Ocean quahog, clam. This clam lived for over 500 years. That means it was born before Instagram, before Beyonce, before oxygen. Okay, not really, but you get the point. 2. Immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish doesn't die. It just hits restart, like, oops, I'm old? Nah, back to baby mode. It's not a jellyfish, it's a time traveler with commitment issues. 3. Greenland shark. This shark hits puberty at age 150. Bro's been single for centuries, swims like it's in slow motion, and still outlives everyone. King of ghosting, literally. Fun facts, right? See ya for part 2.